Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can check Alinma IBAN. So the first step that you have to do is just open the Alinma application. So from there, just log in and using your user credentials, fingerprint or face ID. Now once you're logged in, you will be on the main dashboard, which looks like this. So from the main dashboard, just locate the accounts section, usually a main tile or a menu item. So just tap on the specific current account for which you want or you need the IBAN. Next is to locate the number. So on the account details screen, look for the field labeled IBAN number or international account number. So Alinma usually displays it prominently in the account summary section. So you will just see it in there. So there will be a copy icon so you can directly copy your IBAN. Next is to call the Alinma phone banking, and then usually this number, which is 800, 120, and 8000. So just enter your ID or account number and the phone banking or the PIN, and then just follow the voice prompt and then to navigate to account services and the IBAN accounts information option. So the system can read your IBAN to you or send via SMS. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!